this very boutique. What's wrong with it? Oh, I'll tell you what's wrong with it. It's dead. That's what's wrong with it. No, it isn't resting. Look, my lad. I know a dead parrot when I see one. And I'm looking at one. Right now. All right, then. If it is resting, I'll wake it up. Hello, Molly, Molly! This is the man from Wake-up-Hall! Molly, Molly, Parrot! No, it didn't move. It was you pushing the cage. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. All right, then. Hello, Polly, Polly! I've got a nice butterfish for you! Polly, Polly, Parrot! Now that is what I call